getting ready to go on a dolphin tour. Hopefully we'll see some dolphins. That would be super exciting. Maybe see some dolphins out of water. That would even be more exciting. So stay tuned to make sure you see some dolphins.
the stars in the sky. Did we ever stop and wondered why we let our love shine all through the night? Just you and me, babe, until the morning light. The morning light. So come on over, we can make it through. Take my hand, I know just what to do. Just what to do. On the beat, keep dancing through the night, keep dancing. We stay up until the morning light. The morning light. Baby, you're out of sight. On the beat, keep dancing through.
and we got to see all the dolphins. I've never ever seen dolphins in the wild like that, so it's so incredibly cool. So make sure you hit subscribe and watch all my other videos.